Mazda has built a reputation for making cars that are fun to drive, and the 2025 Mazda CX-50 is no exception. With its stylish design, powerful engine options, and premium interior, this compact SUV stands out in a crowded segment. Mazda designed the CX-50 with adventure in mind. Its wide stance, aggressive front grille, and sleek LED headlights give it a strong road presence. The 2025 model keeps the rugged, outdoor-ready styling while adding small refinements to make it even more appealing. The Meridian Edition continues to be the go-to choice for off-road enthusiasts, featuring all-terrain tires, a hood decal, and unique trim details. Inside, Mazda's attention to detail is on full display. The CX-50's cabin offers a blend of luxury and practicality, with high-quality materials, soft-touch surfaces, and a driver-focused layout. New for 2025 is a larger 10.3-inch infotainment screen that now comes standard across all trims, replacing the old 8.8-inch unit. Mazda has upgraded the driver assistance package, adding a rear seat alert system and improved pedestrian detection for better safety at night. A wireless charging pad is now available on most trims, making it easier than ever to keep your devices powered on the go. Under the hood, the 2025 CX-50 offers three powertrain choices: a standard 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine with 187 horsepower, a turbocharged 2.5-liter version pushing out 256 horsepower, and a new hybrid model with 219 horsepower, using Toyota's proven hybrid system. All models come with a 6-speed automatic transmission and standard all-wheel drive, ensuring confidence in all road conditions. The turbocharged model is the real star here. It delivers impressive acceleration, going from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 6.4 seconds. Mazda keeps efficiency in check, with the standard engine delivering 24 miles per gallon in the city and 30 miles per gallon on the highway. The turbocharged variant is only slightly less efficient, at 23 miles per gallon city and 29 miles per gallon highway. The hybrid model is expected to offer even better fuel economy, making it a great option for those looking to save on gas. Pricing for the 2025 Mazda CX-50 starts at around $31,700 and goes up to $44,700, depending on the trim and features. The Turbo Meridian Edition, with its off-road-ready enhancements, remains a standout option for those who want a rugged yet refined SUV. The 2025 Mazda CX-50 continues to offer the brand's signature driving dynamics, premium features, and a stylish design. Whether you're looking for a capable daily driver, a fuel-efficient hybrid, or a sporty SUV with turbo power, there's a CX-50 for you. What are your thoughts or suggestions to make it super innovative? Comment below.